Good morning, guys. Every morning we go out for a walk. Your girl gets her coffee. Let's see if I can balance this. This lid does not fit this, I just realized, but it's free, so I can't complain. Now for me, I always like to add creamer to my coffee. I use the Natural Bliss almond milk creamer in vanilla. They have a couple of other dairy-free options, which I've talked about before, and I want to try their oat milk out because it just sounds really creamy for some reason. So if you guys have ever tried that, let me know. What I like to do is heat this up so it doesn't cool down my coffee that I grabbed this morning. But I'm loving these dairy-free creamers. If you've never tried like a vanilla almond milk based creamer, please give it a go. It will definitely transform your life. And I usually bring my mug straight downstairs with me, but I was already out with Leroy that I just decided to grab one of those paper cups. Say good morning. We like getting fresh air. Speaking of air, we're gonna show you guys how we keep our apartment fresh later on today, right? Outfit of the gym today is this little cutoff top from Nike, and then I'm wearing like my favorite combination from Fabletics. I swear I wash this set over and over. It is just like my go-to. Like, everyone has their favorite workout outfit. Those two pieces, the sports bra and then the gray tights, just happen to be mine. Well guys, I just got to the gym. Guess what? Nobody is here. This is a blessing. This never happens, but it is a Monday. So my mood to work out is about to be popping off. I just updated my playlist on Spotify, so that makes me even more excited to do cardio today. What cardio should we do? Should we do the Stairmaster? Or should we do the treadmill? Air purifier in the mail. This is the Vista 200. It's available off of Amazon. I needed to get something like this for my studio apartment, guys. It's one big room, okay? Everything is in the same space, and I know that you can smell everything. Like when I'm cooking in the kitchen, you could smell it, okay? So it's important for me to have a clean space that I feel comfortable in. So I was thinking, let me just look into getting an air purifier. Plus I live in LA, which we have a lot of smog and like environmental pollution that I don't want in my air. I have a dog, so it also helps with dander and stuff like that. If you have a cat, even better. So this just does so many amazing things, and I liked it because it was compact. You know, I don't need to have this big old machine to purify my apartment because it's just a studio. But if you have like a bigger space, like a house or something, maybe like a 2-3 bedroom apartment, then definitely look into the other models that they have. Again, I got it off of Amazon, so such a great steal. Super fast shipping, gotta love that. And this is the updated version that they offer. So I'm gonna show you guys what it does. There's just so many cool features about this, not to mention the fact that, yeah, it purifies your air, but it also has really cool features like a night light. If you're like me and you don't like the dark, that's even better. And it also kind of acts as a sound machine. So for me, when I sleep, I need to have a fan type of sound. So I'll leave my AC fan on all day, every day, because now is dead silent. I don't like that. I feel like I'm just alone. So the fact that this doubles as a nightlight, a sound machine, an air purifier, like I am all for it. So I just thought I would share this with you guys because I'm all about having things that work really well in my home space. And it's so lightweight. Look at this thing, and it's white, so it's not gonna stick out like a sore thumb. I'm gonna set it up and show you guys all of the features and how it actually works, but it's like I don't need directions, I just go. When you cook seafood, let's be real, it don't smell the best. So I just want to have something like this that will just constantly keep working in the background while I live my everyday life. So here's the plug that's going to go into the outlet. I'll get that set up, but I'm going to take off the base here. Take off the base so we can get to the filter. Look at that, I didn't even read any directions. So here's our filter, which you definitely want to replace over time. And it just goes right on in there. Screw it back on. And then on the back is where you plug it in for the power. So, I don't know where I'm gonna put this. I think I'm gonna put it kind of by my bed, I guess. It doesn't really matter where I put it because like I said, life in a studio apartment, everything is in one room, which is also why I have to keep my place clean all the time, because if one thing is out of place, the whole place looks messy. Leroy, are you ready to have fresh air? Just gonna plug this little guy in. Ooh, look at that. This is gonna look so cool at nighttime. So power on. Lily, it's gonna clean up all of your dander. Thank God, because if you have allergies, okay. It's not even that loud. This is on the medium setting. Okay, that's the highest setting, and that's as loud as it will sound. And that's the first setting. So you can't even really tell that it's on. Like for me, I'd probably keep it on the second setting because like I said, I like background noise. So if you want to turn on the light, you can do that. Probably use that feature more at nighttime. And then you could also set a timer. So let's say you're gonna be running errands or something and maybe you don't want this thing to be on all day. You wanna be able to have it turn off while you're out. You can definitely turn on 2 hour, 4 hour, or 8 hours. And then this is a night feature. So I already love this. It's so simple to use. I don't even look at any directions. And I mean, if I can figure this thing out, you can definitely figure this thing out. I'm excited to see like what it looks like when I take out the filter and clean it out, to see like what is in my air. Listen, that's gonna be like trippy. Shout out to Levoit for sponsoring today's video and hooking us up with an air purifier, because look, I really needed that and I was already interested in getting one. So the fact that they reached out to me, I felt like that was just put into the universe and it was meant to be. So definitely check out the links below to get your own air purifier and let me know what you guys think about it already. I'm pretty obsessed and excited to have it in my space. You can't even hear it and it's on right now. I decided to do like a little crispy shrimp, kind of inspired by like a bang bang shrimp that I would get in a restaurant. So I put that over a bed of kale and just really hearty greens. There's some pistachios in the mix, and I'm gonna top it off with a little bit of my Thousand Island dressing. So I'm really excited about this. So simple to make, so tasty, and super filling.